Here are instructions for how to delete your Google search history. Keep in mind, this will delete the search history of your device, but data about your search history will still be maintained by Google itself in any browser. Go to google.com. Once signed in, click the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner of the Google home page. Click Account. Click Data and Privacy from the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Locate the Activity Control selection and click Manage your activity controls. Click the X next to each listing to delete multiple or all search history. At one click, the Delete button located underneath the search bar. In the pop-up, you can choose what content you want to delete. You can also set up automatic deletions here. Open up your mobile browser and go to google.com. Once signed in, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left of the Google home page. Tap your data in search. Scroll down to the Delete Your Search Activity section. Tap either Delete Today, Custom Range or Delete All Time Search Activity.